Hi everybody, and you're welcome back to my channel. And this is Makini Dolapo YouTube channel. And today I want to talk about some websites that I believe anybody could use, most especially if you are from Nigeria, because Nigerians have always been denied the opportunity to work online and to earn money online. So today I want to talk about those websites that you can use as a Nigerian to work online and earn money online. So my first website that I'll be talking about is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelancer website where you can go and you register. It's free of charge for you to register on this platform. So after you have registered, then you update your profile, and after that you can search on that website of different types of work or different types of jobs that you can do on this website. And if you don't have a skill in the area that you have chosen, my advice is that you can come back to YouTube and download some videos that can teach you the skills on how to go about that thing you want to do on Fiverr. And after you have acquired the skills, then you come back and you come back to search for jobs, and you also be given jobs on Fiverr to work as a freelancer. And this is one of the ways you can earn money online. Then the second website that I'll be talking about is a sister website to Fiverr.com, and this website is called FiverrAffiliate.com. FiverrAffiliate.com is only meant for affiliate, and when I talk about affiliate, I'm talking about affiliate marketers, those people that market online. Maybe you have a website, or maybe you have a social media that you have a lot of traffic, and you can use this traffic to earn money for yourself by collecting products. You get products on your account when you register for Fiverr Affiliate, and these products you can promote them on those your social media, your website, or even your blogs. But just make sure you have a lot of traffics, because the more traffic you have on your social media and on your blog and on your website will determine how much you're going to be making as an affiliate marketer. So that is the second website that I'll be talking about today. And the third website that I'll be talking about is called Swagbox. Swagbox is a place where you attempt some survey. They'll give you surveys to fill, and you just answer some few questions. They want to know your opinion about some products and services and for some companies, and after that they will reward you with swags. These swags, if you earn about 1,000 swags, you can convert these swags to maybe to gift cards. And when you convert it to gift cards, then you can use this, you can trade these gift cards on other platforms that I'll be mentioning later, and you can get the money back to your local account. So that is the third website. But if you need more assistance on Swagbox registration and how to earn money on Swagbox, you can drop your comment on this video, and I will attend to it as quickly as possible. Then the last website that I'll be talking about today, no, not the last one. I still have about two websites I want to talk about. Another one here is called Amazon.com. Amazon.com, we have about two websites on Amazon. We have Amazon.com and AmazonKDP.com. The AmazonKDP.com is the one I'm talking about, but you have to register as Amazon on Amazon.com as well. So on Amazon KDP, what your work on Amazon KDP is to publish books. If you are a publisher, or maybe you are an ebook writer, or maybe you love writing, you can put up those documents, those informations together and publish them on Amazon, and Amazon will help you to sell your ebooks, and they'll give you some part. They will get some part of the money and give you the money that your book has made on the website. So this website also allow Nigerians to earn money online. That is amazonkdp.com. And the last one that I'll be talking about is um, a platform where you can trade. You can be a trader, and this website is called Binance. Binance.com, it can allow you to trade as a Nigerian. If you have some money aside that you think you can use to invest, and or maybe you can use to just exchange with some cryptocurrency. This platform is for cryptocurrency, where you buy crypto at a lower price and you sell at a higher price, and that's how you make money on Binance. And you use the platform called P2P. P2P is called peer-to-peer, and you just exchange your money with cryptocurrency, and you sell back your cryptocurrency at a higher price, and you get your profit and you make money online. So for all these websites that I've mentioned, and the second part of this video is how do you get paid after you have worked on them. Now there's a website called PayPal. PayPal is the most popular gateway for anybody around the world to get paid if you work online. But PayPal is not allowing Nigerians due to so many reasons that I don't want to be talking about on this video. But that shouldn't discourage you, because there's another website called Pioneer. Pioneer.com is a website that you can use to get paid from all these websites that I've mentioned. You link your Pioneer account to your Fiverr, to your Fiverr affiliate, to your Swagburst account, to your Amazon account, and also even to your so-called to your so-called Binance. So all these websites allow Pioneer, and even Pioneer is not a Nigerian bank, but it allows Nigerians to earn money online. So these are the websites I believe you can start with if you are just starting up to make money online. You can just check out some of these websites, and if you still have any info or anything that is not clear to you about this website you want to ask me, please drop the comment on this video and I will attend to them as quickly as possible. So this is where I'm going to be dropping the curtain for today, and I hope you have enjoyed yourself. So, and make sure you always come back to this channel, because I release videos like this on this channel. And there's something I want you to do for me. I want you to give me a thumbs up, like this video. Another thing I want to do for me is that you share this video among your friends and family, because you don't know who these videos can help. And another thing that I want to do for me is that drop your comment. If you like this video, just say I like this video, and this is going to encourage me to develop to drop more videos like this on this website. And the last thing I will ask you to do for me is to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscription button, smash that button, smash it hard. And another thing is that you see a notification bell beside the subscription button. Click on that notification bell. Click on the all, so that anytime I'm releasing videos like this, you'll be one of the first people to get notified, and you'll enjoy yourself. So thank you very much. I always say thank you, because a lot of you have been encouraging me. A lot of you have been helping me, on this channel, by sharing my videos and my content on this channel. So thank you very much, and I really appreciate you guys. So as I always say, I'll see you in my next video.